DMARD is short for disease-modifying rheumatoid arthritis drugs. We will discuss 6 drugs of this category here. Methotrexate is a cytotoxic folate antagonist used in the treatment of cancer. It is the most widely used first-line DMARD in the management of rheumatoid arthritis and psoriatic arthritis because it has fewer adverse effects than alternatives. However, methotrexate is associated with bone marrow suppression, hepatotoxicity, and pneumonitis. Sulfasalazine is split in the colon by bacteria to produce sulfapyridine and the active component 5-aminosalicylic acid. The drug suppresses the inflammatory activity of rheumatoid arthritis. It is also used in the treatment of chronic inflammatory bowel disease. The mechanism of action of 5-aminosalicylic acid is uncertain. The adverse effects of sulfasalazine are mainly associated with the sulfapyridine moiety and include rashes, gastrointestinal disorders, and blood abnormalities. Gold as sodium orothiomycete is given by intramuscular injection. The beneficial effects of gold in rheumatoid arthritis develop slowly, the maximum effect being seen after 4 to 6 months. The mechanism of action of gold is unclear. Adverse effects are common and include rashes, blood disorders, and proteinuria. About 60% of patients obtain some benefit from gold preparations. However, adverse effects cause 30 to 40% of patients to give up gold therapy within a year. Gold compounds are now used less often, having been largely replaced by methotrexate. Penicillamine has a similar action to gold. After 7 months, about 75% of patients with RA show a response. The mechanism of action is unclear but may involve inhibition of IL-1 production. Adverse effects are common in 40% of patients and include nausea, vomiting, rashes, proteinuria, and blood disorders. These adverse effects cause the drug to be poorly tolerated, and it is now used infrequently. Hydroxychloroquine is commonly used to treat mild SLE. It is less effective than other drugs in the treatment of RA, but is used as an adjunct with other DMARD. The mechanism of hydroxychloroquine is unknown. Adverse effects are relatively mild, but a retinopathy resembling retinitis pigmentosa may occur. This toxic effect is much rarer with hydroxychloroquine than with chloroquine, but an annual eye examination is advisable. So, this concludes the topic of immunosuppressants. Stay tuned to sqadia.com for more pharmacology lectures.